as well. Afi twaso ye kwen mu Gladys Night Tete. I see you. Joanna Abe Arthur. Also so I will say Oshalai. Asantewa Mante Pimpon. I see you, baby. You trust kwen mu set. Beidou. I say Brad Jerry, I'm here. Afi so Rose Apia Kubi. I say good afternoon, Jerry. Comfort Chiriwa. I say good afternoon, Brad Jerry. How are you doing? God richly bless you. I feel so Dorothy Bafo Ewa. Also Mahua. Yeah, Charlie. Tallest. I'm out for Temupa. Alright, what about Facebook or there? And videos of our time no. Say it to me so by kind courtesy. The new Infinix Hot 10T mobile phone guy Nadama ya baba share na so ansana no yankan for Basima seal amount where special sealer AGI na Ghana Standards Authority akabo mo introduce you na wonders pa dey yen say enuane bebre na ye die no food products p na ye toba efie be di no enhye dan ni hodi no papa bia e wo musa the same na nei FDA Mr. Wada Ghana Standards Authority any AGI akambom akofa Obasima Silidiaba it's here the abo food products how do be no market oko now top food products Obasima Sil no ho chese sa food products no 18 essential vitamins and minerals yeah be boa ma pom de ho sem netimi agina banana de mo bia obusuam ni tichu ye nuanom ma no so make it a point to purchase food with the Obasima seal. Choose Obasima, stay healthy, stay strong. I feel so the Bebuana and they immune system no why any damn pie at me Gina Brand I know a dominion about powder. One day I said Bluey a you know I dance the pimba on a daily basis and yet easy. And my immune system no way day some one normalize your blood pressure or kidney or heart related problems with you free of I feel was spine. Ya name we are ya stroke diabetes ni ne pam pam. We adwuma keto bia na bread den. Dominion about powder be do akagine mu. Obenya bia to na bo ache about shops ahoro ni nyina mu afi Hello Seba, Kings Walk Heba, Little George Health Shop or Tema Community 5 and afi Patch Ventures. Open door path for ni chemu nkoko also hwehwe Angel Dominion about Center. Phrase 0543 158 195 afi 020 429-6449. Dominion about powder, your number one immune booster. A floral disposable handkerchief. Say, I know I can form out better than the usual cloth handkerchief. They said, cloth handkerchief ni show but more. If you feel to or the baby pap, who could do baby now wash on sa or the baby pap. I dear be bogu baby and shed down here the paper or the baby pap. We ain't hit sing or the baby pap. Obawa kuho or the baby pap. It's just a imagine and near my baby out they say handkerchief na paper na sign show butu. Now carry germs and bacteria in now around. And yeah guy, it's in see use floral disposable handkerchief. Yeah, a crocodile come and fit into your pocket, your purse, and now your bag easily. We back all the people we are not disposing of. Come on, some be are not wanting neat power. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, my son can't do any bonus when you're there, and they cry and you want to trust or to be brave. And say on somebody me can floral toilet roll. Your motor come out the year, a woman year, and I feel floral multi-purpose paper towels and so on. And your floral table napkins and so on. And some box tissues and you bet me to be a CC come or shops near the idea. They are available in a shop near you. No bonus when you're there. The donor fed Delta Paper Mill Limited. It was 0243 033 033. Now you're just so come on. I was your favorite now videos of our time. Yeah, fam real. Said the name kind of earlier, no. I know, say, I deal, you know, enough from sir. What I say? A moi crano. Omutimi kunto kwapa. Say, Kramai bina, Kramai bis wolf, yona, waba hit. Na Kramai fufu bifi no person. On bear fight, yeah. Oh, say that, I dream pa. Say, now mother, no video be. I think that's a video no cry. I still have it on my Instagram page. Say, na or bakono F4 bakono na the tree bakono jina am say na shimpa say akwa ne fire ade na oye no na ben na ko one way wa head na fi ade no so kra e dey na be so chi ha dream say obi dofo na obi nso achi na use no sa ne ade no na video yi amene uche onipa no ne partner one ne wo ho no echiti our relationship no mu enti onya ne ntie se enkrofo yi omo akwatena restaurant asumasi chese ho na omote a omo etwa omo anu kakra omo fa love vibes ne ade and I was saying if me they do like that okay you go see na ehu obufuo no hwe de akwa ne ye owan kan che say the partner ne obi foforo echiti no ehye hotel a omo area omo te restaurant omo didi omo te restaurant a omo didi ye kan ye no de copy no but me bisa wo waba Facebook sesi a wo behwe video yi sanye bia semwe to na be catch you say oye oni to say oye what say o cheat on you na what say oni a branch na o cheat no at restaurant edidia how are you going to react ana oba be catch you say ukunu abayiwa yi a what say say one o twi no ukunu ni abayiwa at restaurant baby a che say omu twom ano de den pa na ade a won so reaction be saying a patch of borrow more Facebook nation the way a brand react here. Seriously. But aya yama butrem cause one way you be phone wo kunipa odio. Said their brand net display no. Or drive it straight to the restaurant. Okodu wono. And a baby and crofone to a restaurant no mu didi no. Na so the car no e borrow mu hono at once. And the besinsi or bowram budana guakum na udika ibu na ukomia. Are you also going to kill yourself or what? Hey, we are not changing the rest of Saba and Chiwa side. Hey, just an command to him. Jeko for video ni tum na the amount for Shana. More motion now ready we are brandy or react here. So when Yanti say the partner o cheat on him one onipa kono ne cheat no akotana restaurant no mu didi internet so koy action patro restaurant no building ne ho no itu de o hwe se de car sa park we ni mo hwe video no e no so ne car na ye Honda CR-V no itu o hwe ya car bi e ho no a si kwan no e movie fi na appearance a e kwan bedam e no yi famu o koy we nya direction yi no bar reverse e no san di room. What Tiama for ginger, what's going on? No, I saw by reverse. What a shaction. Goodness. Or dear no. I can't know Chicola, no, who's all banachina on Sutunica if you Johnny open once or child. We are now way away. What the moon shot there? Oh, just a action and no goose. I'm out for ration and see if you come on more ration per se. I'm coming down, no jay, and someone no persuading. No, so that. There be, yeah. I for do action. Action movie. Hey, Raddy, me, my Sadie, Papa. Adrian, if you serious. The camera, a flashlight one. It would have said, I haven't started, baby. A honor bubuno. A honor start you. Or share your DNA in your mono. Neso to know the coffee the other side one. Now, what you or person, you know the can run then or the can room. Not the obey or yen obey cheer from so kumus or bed than you, now or yen a precon. Recano, a Honda, a CR-V no. And now it didn't some money. Oh. Charlie. And they're around for a life. Said I'm out for granny giddy because 1 year a tefa super now will come free. Charlie. So Lord have mercy, Lord have mercy, Lord have mercy, Lord have mercy. We know all that. About sana abutenu wabra bomua. Yo, over there yo. You go do something where you for no do. But by the time your heart go calm down, now why I wanna read that. I feel no one knows this thing cry why like I for no do amo. Like I for no do amo. Meanwhile then you do I'm finish. You do I'm finish that. Now the BCS here. Your bumpire and see I'm no more about it. But I did be also home but ten so Sadi we home but ten. That thing way like you know say now you alone we see that thing. It is one way. Lord have mercy. I didn't know. I was young fast that my boy I made the videos of our time bro down there now. I had the new Infinix Hot 10T mobile phone a guy. Yeah, wouldn't you be a team boy yepa, maybe be a kama at the mawo. Na Yamano 6.82 HD plus big video gaming display. Yeah, I wore 5,000 mAh battery capacity. Ekra Helio G70 gaming CPU. It is all both games was near their breaky run faster and more gaming pleasure now with the general brand power. Your Infinix Hot 10T with 4 gig RAM and a face 64 gig ROM. Yeah, a ton only 788 Ghana cedis. And your Infinix Hot 10T with 4 gig RAM and then 124 gig ROM. And also 888 Ghana cedis. There's more from Infinix about Quim. It's more the answer by sharing the Mukwe. Na Kai say, Ubura any accredited Infinix shop BMWA. Now control the new Infinix Hot 10T now. Ubetimi in your crossbody bag, sports bottle, marks ne a chedi audupi na ye de techri edi amawo. Infinix, the future is now. Yes, check with your time now. Just about 9 more minutes to 4. And we're Adom 106.3 FM. Shano so say enchebia. You be sure someone you do to for we so. And what you know, around the world in 5 minutes with says Scots. Yeah, they are not so bad, bro. Timane Koswanda ya. 106.3 Adom FM. Mama mean to Japan farmer breaking yoke. I saw you for Nina and Nachi. Break it up. Charlie, the fire be born. And run then easy. Worship papa. Oh, now for no filia Nessie. I'm to form by Nyami Shamuna. Na Nyami Asia Papa Nanka Sanka. Prophet Cephas Kwame Pega Tamaklu. Papa, you do oh no I saw for Nina Nyami Shamo. Kama pa. And route him sampa. Na oh sorry no na ano shit. Nemuye papa. Abuja say fried tall. And the full frabbe boom. Where your fried tall seasoning. Yes. For a delicious shrimp flavor to your meal. An irresistible aroma. Just a be few stew ediaba. That yummy chicken taste. Any juicy burst of tomato paste. Come pan. And so to me, you see the all new fried tall seasoning tablet. And then the powder. A patrol tablet no very easy to crush, but it does not melt during storage. So they are torn in and there be, you know what I'm saying? Fried toast seasoning tablet available in 10-gram tablet, a 12-gram and a 60-gram sachet. I just say a bit meaty all your meal needs. Come on, pa. Bring fried toast seasoning. Does it taste warm? Fried toast. Love your food. Love your life. Say atorencham emaye. Ana akwanhia bi NC ya. Aya insurance so fast wo. Demom se okwa wunyehia bumi pa oyenie bi bowa. Ena hu se insurance ya de a ehu hia pa. Etutu se ya kan insurance ho asem a aya men nya ho minim na tie bi. Na be boa wo. Ene ye ka se bo modern so be insure with Phoenix Insurance. Se be now business now ye ne betimi akoso atumpon a. Esa say you rise again when disaster strikes. At Torrential be sorry, Obesan Ejina Wanamo Subi. Oba Phoenix Insurance. You tua claims in Tempana, and Tessa on your account. Your policies in the dorsal, your file, a fee motor insurance or accident, marine, engineering, and a fee bonds. And they cry there, I'm a BBI Boko, Utimitor insurance policy. Edify a short code ISO *389*79* 1 hour chron. And yes, out there, friend 0302 246 319 and I'll 0243 64 0243 690 492. Now only Phoenix Insurance Eddie and Kamal. Insure with Phoenix Insurance and experience a delightful service delivered with wisdom. Nemum say fuel now the good come dia the come for the amawono goil higher grade fuels. Papa abey. For be good come now can also feel good what aden. Where I tried and tested, proven and accepted. Papa. Now, I am most suitable for all engine types, including the latest vehicles with the most, modern engines. In addition to such superior qualities here, come was going higher grade fuels. No, you two boss, amano, additives. Be one. Come pa. Make sure the XP3 additive, multifunctional and enhancer. More efficient, eco-friendly. Now you turn at no extra cost. And to borrow more Goyle fuel station be a ben will be a more. Now a Goyle higher grade fuels be for good can say a Goyle Super XP Run 95 and now Goyle Diesel XP a beboa canapa. And you can say yeah turn every Goyle fuel station be across the country, not just selected Goyle fuel stations. Goyle good energy. We should ajibu bia. Goyle ya di mu. Her name is Becky Bonnie, and she calls this one Nyame Ohoda. Yes, it features Uncle Ato. Stabadabadamba. Stubudubudum. Stam stam. Yeah, come for Royal Drinks in my way. I mean, you know the deal. And we are in TPS and now, but more than a chilled one. What I said, perfect chimboko, and now minimum cost is smooth. You must sort to assault, say Royal Apple, Royal Cola, Royal Orange, and now Royal Cocktail. And no nominate perfect flavors now we here. So go on and feel the magic in your life as you enjoy Royal Drinks in so many flavors. Royal Drinks, also you go like them. They are available in a shop near you at just 2 cedis 50 pesos. She says we another quality products here Fikasa Preco Company Limited, an ISO certified company. Open the door power phrase 0262 351 251 or phrase 0272 133 373. And you do be on here via see Jogus when you know what I'm saying. Because as you see it, good one day after Intia somewhere near you home for a way, Ofie Kwanso so. Okay, and I may not chair as some ketwe be. Na ye de 2 year home for menkasa e wo ho enche bebre. Empempi ye title say it is good to listen. E yes ubetie dan say obekasa bebre. Omo a aya omutimi inya abotre no mo ya so na omutie no. Safo no they do well. It is good to listen more. But and yes utie ntino na de ebeka bia watie ni saa se bebo ase mbo ano na osimi de metie mi yesititi saa keka. There's more to it than just listening keke. Timpacho yentie de etwaso yi na yenhwe de sese yeye ai betimi aboayen said de beye na butai bi esi because sometimes you believe in something Adibi on mo e bi kura wo na nyame de afa so e sese saa de ni timi e bedi mu na ebo adasa. But one hwe you betie nipa no, and then you forget about what God has asked you to do. Ebasa na what disappointing humanity ni na. What I say? Enunti no. It is the same way. Na yenhwe said e betimi de aboa ya. Asam no abofaka say listen more. But don't let people tell you it can't be done. Know that you are the master of your fate and the captain of your destiny. And note, your destiny is different from my destiny. Mine is different from yours. And tafwa ya woman me nefi the same womb about same day. Obako beto no bako beto bi wa hu pani hu kakra hu no, but omo destiny enye pe. E bi ade pani be ye be ma na sini ye wona brabo mu kakra e ya wan hwa ba perform sini ye. Yes. Obia won a destiny. So be kai the last time one counselor Oscar Swipini ye kasa just last week. What in some more crying now? Obia wo destiny. Enti wan hwe ye obedi anamo obi achi ubekodi obi anamo tu obi achi na asesa destiny obe brewa asetremu sa. It is good to listen though. Yes, listen more, but don't let people tell you it can't be done. One kasa when you die son one when you swadi one who say this then one out here say you see sometimes it's like it said you cry. You can come up with a great idea. Would be to be the suggestion be about transit drain ideas. This thing we can do this and do this and do this. Oh yeah, then somebody competitor being Charlie go for me, Charlie. But because on your originators of that idea, no, of that your friend saying strategy kuna say sa idea kuna wo ye no. Omo say omo shut down how to go about it. Ye. Diana apply for no MDB ba no de bo pa camp bi ni camp bi we see any de buy and we so and any be fine any hit we so ba am na be fine na mo ye no ba ko SHI you know and me timi Ghana just o ma just say no oh and no because enya wo na wo ye originator wo na wo de ade no wo na wo ye source no ntino wo bon say wo kwaye copy na wa say ade no sa na wan hwe yi a wani so ade hu ai si wani so obotai bia wo de si wani so a pese otu so anamo no enipa no betimi atwe afisa ade no onipa betimi aka oh dabi share those people who they do this kind of things no you know people like you Charlie no share Charlie make no go waste your money bro share me they tell you oh my brother said hey obe card de I feel you know I convinced then you stop e bi so anka sanamo na wutu na do breakthrough beba. Listen more, but don't let people tell you it can't be done. Know that you are the master of your fate and the captain of your destiny. Unisa, ubetie, na ubetie ni ye. Ubefa bidia ye futu de. Nanso, ome nipa no enchon enfi ubotaya ho. Ubekoswa ako wenimu. Na obedi yi e wasetena mu yamisha no ma sa kokudru no omo nya botre na fatie na emum de obetie ni nyina no omo nyansa obetimi de ato ho to be able to tell say we there metie ne kekekwa na we nso de me de beye adwuma na timi aboa na wapem akonkan e wasetena mu ya fast that my proud sponsors omo boa ye ema ya this asemi etu ye hofo DBS Industries Limited ene o se en kan cho say enua na edigu dan so no de adwo atwam edua no na beji paint papa na fa ko paint dan ye ne news painter partner akofa paint now pay later hye de aba tie watwam na ne say schools, hospitals, churches, offices, government institutions, real estate developers, individuals near the ina. Mumra na mumeji paint ya mope. Mufan ko paint mo dano. Na yan spread this kind of mam na mu tweet yan kakaka. Ewa Brian fa interest biya. Ento so emamu. Ye wo eye acrylic, emulsion, enamel, road marking paint, marine coatings, waterproofing, damp proofing, wallpaper, wall primers, and a free so potty, paint accessories. I don't know any na ewe answer here. I feel oba yen apuna from one. To ye dino say door master and put my paint depot. Oba doors are from one. Oba enjoy 5 to 10% discount on quality security doors with Turkish, German, and Italian technology. Over 100 designs and colors to choose from. Your doors range from exterior steel security doors to internal steel security doors, bulletproof doors to armored doors, flash doors to glass doors, wooden panel doors to wooden metal doors. Just say, in fact, any kind of door biano are available. A bonus so did that form. Kama pa. Obe ya chia kwan ewo Accra Kumasi highway no so. Ye wo Pobiman toll booth wona. In fact, se wo gina Pobiman toll booth wa wani tua yen shop no. Friend na ye ninkita ho 0542 745 222 and afi 050 021 2447. Now on a door master and Pobiman paint depot Eddie in kita ho. MTN say free after one so gina na so we marry free nye dia ho. But what they answer best subscriber say be sorry a obetimi aye call na wakasa for as long as you wish, then you pay for just the first minute of your call. The rest is absolutely free. And what she ya eno no. Obesenya 50 MB of data. Now they are browsing for free. BBN anwa dial star 550 hash. Now I subscribe to MTN free after one. Then you stay connected because we're good together. Terms and conditions apply. MTN, everywhere you go. Quickly, let's jump into this one from Sisi Chum. And yes, Sisi, she called this one Victory. Yes. And special greetings going out to you, my good friend, Kwame G. Kwame, we a guy, what? Kwame G. You'll be very fine, I'm a Tassie. It's stretchy. happy birthday, though belated.
He is good to you. And good to us.
You. Yes, happy birthday, though belated. And command the CEO, Royal Diadem. Endra, na udi wa udaju. Nyame unsha na onyo kese wate. Na omajuma no imu tetre na nkosro sa. Ewo Yesu dim. Please, today is the retirement of Madam Eunice Owusu Anderson. May the good Lord continue to, checking. May the good Lord continue to bless her and protect her all the time during her retirement period. This one's coming from Nana Irenchi, the first Mampong Ekwapima Pesma Kahine. And a happy birthday going out to Lieutenant Colonel Dr. Ejari Jan of the 37 Military Hospital. Your contribution and passion to the family and medicine is unmatched. May the good Lord answer every heart desire of yours. A happy birthday to you, Doctor. This one is coming from the Germaness. I guess you know them. And a happy birthday going out to Foster Saponche. Foster Saponche, a student of our Baptist Academy. From your father, Mr. Samuel Che, and then your mom and your siblings as well. They all wishing you a happy birthday. Asking for God's blessings to be your portion. And last Friday was your birthday. Miss Cynthia Della Dogbe, a beautician at Tema Station, Accra. Happy birthday to you, do belated. Enjoy your day, Della. From Kofi Asare Brakon Abate. Wonya Osikija. Jerry, hope all is well. Please, today happens to be my son's birthday. His name is Aristotle Adom Fifi Mensa Debbie, and he's 8 years old today. He attends school at Bethel Methodist School, Community Age Tema, in Class 2A. That's in Class 2. Wish him a happy birthday for me. May the good Lord enlarge him and make him great and prosperous. That is my prayer for him. Thank you very much, Jerry. I'm saying Chevia, now you're around the world in 5 minutes with Scott Abreu on 106.3 Ghana's #1 radio station. Okay, so last two Nafi, also greetings, Jerry. Please wish my senior brother James Kwame Amo Mensah happy birthday for me, formerly of ECG, now at Pokuase. He's 72 years old today. Happy 72nd anniversary to you, boss. May you grow gloriously in good health in Jesus' name. From the Afo Labi family of Teshinungwa. And Obi I was sorry them. I was breaking yoke. Now you worship. Now mikra mic na me kasa. Na squad bi wa sorry them o ma me fansa. When your fancy bi ma me say wa wa. And one I'm saying, Mom, we see our Munyai. I saw them say, well, I hear radio. So no more that form. I'm the same one. I saw them. Fantastic people. The Obi Bekano said, I haven't spoken to my mom on the phone in a long while. I miss her. Yes. Reading all those long forwarded messages to me. I've not spoken to Araba about that guy I met at the wedding. Hey. I've not even spoken to Adongo about my new side hustle crowd, Charlie. But today, dear, today be good day. Yes, I for do all the catch up. And then next year, said we are 25 years old. And as part of saying thank you for your loyalty, your first call of the day is on us. Yes. So just call another MTN number and you get to talk for 25 long minutes for free from now to the 30th of June 2021. MTN Mwaya Day. The two or talks will be near Tintin to Wasi. Also, I know Padu Kasasa 25 minutes because MTN is 25 years old. The two Kasa 25 minutes for free on any MTN number. So thanks for being with us. And for us, for the past 25 years. So go on and make that call because it's a good day to be on MTN. Let's go. MTN, everywhere you go. Terms and conditions apply. That will take us to around the world in 5 minutes with Sir Scout.